Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Montgomery County and central Maryland until 3:15 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Poolsville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Gaithersburg, Olney, Damascus, Poolsville, Montgomery Village, North Potomac, Redland, Boyce, Clarksburg, Darnesville, Durwood, Washington Grove, Laytonsville, Barnesville, Bealsville, and Dawsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. North Central and Central Maryland, northeastern southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland. A severe thunderstorm was located near Belfast City, or near historic Mall Hill, and heavy rain patterns. Locally, heavy rainfall possible. Per hour wind gusts of source, radar indicated. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, numerous showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Heavy showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds, small hail.
Alright, KCC 20 is bleeding over, so I'm just gonna stop right now.
Severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County and central Maryland, southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Prince William County in
northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 3:30 p.m.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
Source,
Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
impact, damaging winds will
Power
cause some
outages
trees
are
and large branches to fall.
Unsecured light objects outdoors,
as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Waldorf, Dale City, Bethesda, Reston, Annandale, Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveport, Forestville, and Falls Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 5 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Potomac River to Colton's Point mouth of the Potomac River, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Hooper Island Light, Smith Island, Crisfield, Deep Hole, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River Mouth, Southwest Middle Grounds, Couple Creek, Ewell, Tangier Sound, Drum Point, Hongo River, Point No Point, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Bivalve, The Targets, and Richland Point Buoy. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees. The National Weather Service. Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 3:30 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hillendale or over Langley Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bethesda, College Park, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, University of Maryland, Laurel, Fairland, White Oak, Tacoma Park, Adelphi, Colesville, Campbell, Chevy Chase, North Kensington, South Kensington, Forest Glen, Hillendale, North Chevy Chase, and Wheaton Glenmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for District of Columbia, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, East Central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in Northern
Safety
Virginia.
alert. Safety alert.
The National Weather Service radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Annandale, Springfield, Groveton, Falls Church, Huntington, Coral Hills, Crystal City, Rosslyn, Reagan National Airport, National Park, Howard University, Gallaudet University, Fort Totten, RFK Stadium, Lincolnia, Franconia, Hyla Valley, Maryfield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A special marine warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. For the following areas, turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 2:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles west of storm warning for southeastern Chesterfield County, the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, northwestern Charles City County, southeastern. The National Weather Service in Wakefield.
There's only 2 lanes open eastbound, but they should be into the segments. And today's speed traffic patterns in Montgomery County on the roadway, the rest of the recovery of the vehicle crash cars. Still rising and still going to have extended fire. Progress being made as signs that
storm warning.
Pest control for free.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles.
Weather emergency. Important information will follow.
Safety alert. Safety alert.
Oh my gosh. They failed!
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C.
Nice.
metropolitan
After the
operational
EOMs.
area because of a local weather emergency.
Good job.
National Weather
In
Service.
Laredo County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 4:15 p.m.
Cities of Alexandria and Falls Church. This is until 6:15 this evening. Right now, Doppler showing very strong thunderstorms producing heavy rain in this area. Between half an inch to an inch of rain has already fallen. There could be another 1 to 2 inches on the way. Flash flooding is ongoing
Damaging
or
winds will
expected
cause
to
some
begin
trees
shortly.
and large branches
Once
to
again,
fall.
we have a
This could
flash
injure those
flood warning in
outdoors,
effect
as
for
well as
DC,
damage homes and
Arlington,
vehicles.
East Central, Fairfax,
Roadways
the
may
cities of
become blocked by downed
Alexandria and
trees.
Falls Church until
Localized power
6:15
outages are
this evening.
possible.
More details ahead.
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Clinton, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Forestville,
WTOP
Largo,
at 321. Let's go to Storm Team 4 and Mike Staniford. Mike.
And good afternoon. What they want to stress here,
They said the product after the EOMs. Good job, WTOP.
Did you know the DC area has almost as many great podcasts as we have politicians?